Before we dive in, there's going to be an exclusive link down below for SAKITECH viewers, which is going to get you $200 instant Samsung credit when ordering the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is a limited time offer and only available using the link down below. Hey guys, Sucker from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys all the tips and tricks and features of multitasking on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's dive in and get started. It is actually pretty cool. So let me launch one application. You can see the phone application. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the messages application. Just grab the app and put it wherever you want on the screen. Drag and drop. Let me show that to you one more time. Grab the application and you can put it to the side, to the top, to the bottom, any way that you want. Now what you can also do is you can put a third application on the screen anywhere that you want, as you can see. Alright, so let's place it right there. And then once you are in this configuration, you can tap on the middle and you can change the orientation, as you can see. Or even resize the windows. So if you want to focus on a particular window, you can make the other window smaller and focus on that main window and do some work on it. And then once you're done, you can go back to any other size that you want. So let's say I want to make a quick phone call. I just make this one bigger and I'm good to go. So that's great that I can just dynamically even swipe windows away, as you just saw, and also just dynamically resize them based on my needs. Okay, so look, I can even swap two windows upside down when I want to. And I also have this option where I can change it to vertical orientation. This is great. And your multitasking view gets saved in the Recents app. As you can see, I can just launch it again. I can go home and launch it again. Let's do one more thing over here. So let me create another multitasking interface here. And again, if I go to Recents, look at all the various multitasking interfaces that I have get saved in the Recents app. Okay, and I can click it to just bring it forth. Now let me show you something really cool. Let me bring an application here, and I'm going to just dump it there as a third window. Now I can keep dumping apps into an existing window. So I'm going to grab a different app and just dump it on top of it. It replaces that. So look, replace. So I can change my workspace on the go dynamically. That is great. And of course I can add any application that I want because I have full access to all the applications, as you can see on my phone. Just tap on that button and access all apps, drag and drop whichever you want, and it's just going to be available. So it's very dynamic and easy to modify on the go. Now some applications may not support multitasking, but that's not a big deal because if you go to Advanced Features, and if you go into Labs under Advanced Features, should be right here. There it is. Just click on it, and you can see that I can activate multi-window for all applications. So any application I download from the internet is going to work in multi-window interface. So everything works. It's great. And of course, that's not everything. I can also have the pop-up view, and I can even have a pop-up view while I have multi-windows. I'm going to show you that in a second. So let's configure that. Let's create 3 multitasking windows, and then I'm going to grab any random application. I'm going to dump it in the middle. Just bring it to the middle, and that's going to be on the screen as a 4th application, and you can do whatever you want with that as well. So many different multitasking possibilities. Let me show you some other stuff that's also very cool. There are various ways to activate multitasking. Tap on that button, opens up split screen, and you can select an application, and there you go. Now you have split screen, and then you can just drag and drop, no problem. It's one of the best ways to multitask on a larger screen like this one. And you can also always seamlessly enable dark mode, and look at what happens. Everything just becomes dark and much more easy on the eyes, if that's what you want. So yeah, that's the gist of multitasking. As you can see, very nice, very smooth, very fluid. Some people are wondering exactly how it works, and this is how it works. I know a lot of you guys actually purchased the Fold 4 and waiting for it to arrive in your hands, and watching videos like these makes you even more excited. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?